Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will describe about the Elastic Beanstalk service. So, which is uh, used for developer, like you can deploy your applications there in on different Node.js, PHP, or whatever language is there. So this is simple, like if you want to deploy something by using your code, you can use this service which is provided by the AWS. Okay, so in this today's video, I am going to show you how to change EC2 instance type of your application. So actually, when this required, like suppose if you have the uh, code which is having the the high dependency of the hardware resources. So in that case, you have to change your requirement of your current environment. Let's suppose you have created one Elastic Beanstalk server by using the small or minimum hardware requirement. Okay, you choose the wrong EC2 instance. So how to change that EC2 instance with correct one, and how you can choose the EC2 instance according to your application to increase your performance of your application. So in this environment, I have created one web server by using node as you can see, the node version is there. Okay, so I'll show you how to change. uh, Apart from that, I will also let you know that how to clone the EC2 this web server. Suppose you are creating one environment by using some specific name, and after having the successful deployment, you wanted to make the same environment and you want to keep that, you don't want to create another one. In that case, how you can change the name of your URL, whatever you want. So I will also show you this. So let's start. First of all, I will show you how to change the EC2 instance type. So here you can see in the left pane, go to your application name, select that. This is my, in my case, this is my test app environment is there, and select configuration. Before doing that, I will show you one thing. Let me go back, then select EC2 instance. Here you can see the current EC2 type. When we launched the Elastic Beanstalk, it created a the automatically, in this machine created automatically. You don't need to do anything on the server end. Okay, so for now you can see the instance type is T2 micro. Okay, so this is T2 micro and this is my public IP address, this is my DNS. So I the requirement is to change the instance type. Okay, so I can do that. Go to that Elastic Beanstalk service. Let me select it. And go to that configuration. Here select the instance work capacity. Actually you need to change the capacity, so that's why you need to change the capacity. Click on edit. Here you can see the auto scaling environment type, instance 1 max 4 on demand instances. And here you can, if you scroll down, you can choose the instance type. So for now it is selected by default T2 micro to T2 small. So what I can do now, I can just click here. Okay, and I wanted to select large. For example, the requirement is for T2 large. So type here, you can type and I wanted to select T2 medium and T2, this is large, T2 large. Okay, so I wanted to change both the EC2 instance. Then select and scroll down and click on apply. So let's see, it will give you some warning message. Click on confirm. It will take some time as it will recreate the environment, and the previously created environment will be destroyed, terminated. I can show you. Go to the EC2 instance. For now you can see this is T2 micro. When I click on refresh button, after some time you will not see this instance. The instance will be terminated. Here you can see Elastic Beanstalk is updating your environment. So let's wait for some time. Let me refresh it again. It is taking time. So whenever you will make change in the configuration part, so it will every time it will the recreate your environment according to your changes. So make sure that you are doing minimum changes, suppose in your environment, so that you will not bother your small kind of task don't need to perform separately. So make a list and do that one time. So the question is, does my application will get any down at that time when the Elastic Beanstalk server will be created or make change? The answer is no. Your application will run as it is, as long as all the changes will not be uh, apply. Once the recently changes will apply, the application perform accordingly. Okay, so go to here, you can see EC2 instance added in your environment. So let's check. You can see T2 micro. So we have added T2 medium and T2 large. So the rule is set on the minimum one. So might be you will see the single instance for now. As the load will increase on the server, then might be it will EC2 instance will move to the second one. Sorry. So you can see now still is on working. So let me refresh it. We will wait till that green health okay is not come. We will wait till that time. You can see that T2 micro has been terminated. I will show you. See, here you can see this environment is going to shutting down, and this will be run on T2 medium. So you saw that how to change the EC2 instance type of Elastic Beanstalk servers. Okay, so it will take some time. So I am closing the video now. Thank you.